In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a study in Thinkorswim. If you've added indicators or studies to your chart and want to clean things up, this is a quick process once you know where to look. We'll be doing this in Thinkorswim Web, and the change takes effect right from the chart settings. First, open Thinkorswim Web and go to the Charts tab. This is the area where your price chart and any applied studies are displayed. If you currently have a study on the chart that you no longer want to use, this is where you'll remove it. Once you're in the Charts section, look to the upper right corner of the chart area and click Studies. This opens the Study Options menu, where you can manage the indicators and tools attached to your chart. From that menu, select Edit Studies. This is the main panel for adjusting what appears on the chart. After the Edit Studies window opens, focus on the right side of the panel. You'll see a section called Added Studies and Strategies. This section shows everything that is currently active on your chart. Take a moment to find the specific study you want to remove. If you have several studies applied, it can help to scan the list carefully so you don't remove the wrong one. When you find the study, hover your mouse over it. You should see an X appear next to that study. Click the X to remove it from the active list. This action tells Thinkorswim that you no longer want that study displayed on the chart. After that, make sure to confirm the change by clicking Apply or OK. Apply will keep the window open while updating the chart, and OK will save the change and close the window. Either option works for removing the study. As soon as you do that, the study will immediately disappear from the chart. If the chart looked crowded before, this is a simple way to make it easier to read again. One helpful tip is to always double check the added studies and strategies list after making changes, especially if you use multiple indicators. That way, you can confirm the study was removed successfully before moving on. And that's it. To remove a study in Thinkorswim Web, open the Charts tab, click Studies, choose Edit Studies, find the study in the Added Studies and Strategies section, click the X, and then click Apply or OK. Once saved, the study disappears from your chart right away.